So let's say you want to go ahead and then create out a task list and action plan for a particular task. Then Kimi can help you with that as well. For example, I'm going to say, I am writing a book chapter on introduction to computers with basic I/O devices, history of computers, computer types included in the chapter. So I'm going to say I have a deadline of 20 days to complete it. Give me a daily task list and action plan for it. So if I were to actually simply say this to Kimi, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and give me this. So you can see that it is analyzing out my information right here. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while to let it finish analyzing. Then after it's done, this is what you have, as you can see. So it says, sure, I can help you create a daily task list and action plan to complete your chapter on introduction to computers. So you can see that it says day 1, morning, afternoon, and evening. And it says research and gathering information, and morning, afternoon, and evening right here. Morning, afternoon, and evening right here as well. So you can see that it creates a 20-day plan for me right here with the task list and action plan, just like that, as you can see. And that is how you can generate task list and action plan using Kimi as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.